Do you want to know how you can get these for only cents each one? I cannot believe this crazy run deal at Walgreens that I just did, and I'm going to go to another place and do it again. But anyway, they didn't have any more of these baby lips, so I'm gonna go back. So don't forget to like and follow so you can receive notifications of when I post videos like this. I'm going to give you a couple of tips along the way. And I'm also going to let you know that you don't even have to just do this transaction today, Saturday, March the 8th. You can actually do it throughout the whole next week. It just depends on what you're going to have as coupons. So let's get into the deal. You pick up two Neutrogenas at $6.99. Please make sure that you pick up the ones that say 25 count. As you can see, 25 count. There's some of these packs that bring only 21 and they don't seem to be giving you back a registered reward. So pick up two of these at $6.99 with a $5 digital coupon that comes off. So $6.99 times two is $13.98 minus $5 is going to be $8.98, but you're going to get back $7 in a registered reward, making them both $1.99 or 99 cents each. So if you did it by itself and didn't add anything else to it, it's a really good deal, but it's going to get even way better when you add the baby lips. So then go ahead and pick up two of the baby lips. They're a price this week at $5.99 for each one. If you buy one, it's $5.99. That's it. But if you buy two, you're gonna get a $5 digital coupon that comes off. So $5.99 for both of them would be $11.98 minus $5 for purchasing the two. It would be $6.98. You're not gonna get something back for it, but because you're adding all of these products and you're gonna be on a total of over $25, $25.96 to be exact, then you're gonna qualify for that beauty promotion that we have of spend $25 in beauty items that participate and get back $10 in a register reward. If you do it, you could do this online also and use a promo code and then it'll give you the money online, but you could do it in person as well. That's what I want to do because I picked up one of these photographs. If you haven't done so already, use Snap 100 and you're going to get a booster of $5, which obviously I don't have because I used it. So pick up a photo, order one single transaction of a 4x6, use the promo code SNAP100, SNAP 100, and then you're going to get it down to 50% off. Plus, you're going to get that booster of spend 15, get 5 back as a paper booster that you can use in person. So let's get into the math because this is how I'm going to show you how you're going to get it for only pennies, each of these items. So let me turn the camera. Okay, so we have $6.99 times two for those wipes, plus $5.99 for the two baby lips, so times two. Your total would be $25.96. You're going to take off $5 for the wipes, $5 for the baby lips, right? So you're going to end up paying $15.96 out of your pocket for those four items, but you're going to get back $10 in a registered reward for having spent $25 or more, and you're going to get back $5 if you use that booster that I told you about. So you're down to 96 cents, but it's between the four items. So you divide that by four, and you're going to pay 24 cents for each of those items, which is almost like saying it's free. You pay more for like half an hour of a parking in New York City. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos and get notified when I post and share so that more people can enjoy the savings just like you and I. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.